Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate voice access feature on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. If we want to activate the feature, first of all, we need to go to our settings, and then we have to go to the accessibility setting. You can scroll down to find the accessibility setting, this one guys. Tap on the setting and go to the interaction and text 3D. Again, this is the voice access feature, and if you want to activate it, just click on this option, and then you can click on this toggle button to activate the voice access feature. Okay, then you will get this question, and you just need to click on allow. Okay, right after you activate this feature, you will be able to control your device hands-free. And I'm going to show you how this voice access feature works. I'm just going to go back, and then we can go to our notification panel. Then before you give comment to your Samsung device, you can tap to start right here, click on it. And for example, I'm going to give comment like open Instagram. Open Instagram. Go home. Okay, and if we want to pause the voice access, we just need to go back to the notification panel, then click on tap to pause. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate the voice access feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.